morning. It's another beautiful and crisp morning here in Mallorca, and I know I haven't been posting much lately because I just focused on work, and although I filmed a lot of things, I never really got to edit them, so sorry for that. But today I thought I'll show you my new daily routine I have got since all the animals are here. It took a while to get used to them and for them to get used to me, and now I finally feel like we all know what to do and we all get along. Pino and I always start our day with a walk along the cliffs, enjoying the sun. And on our morning walk we always practice some of his commands. He loves to do that. And sometimes I even do some yoga, but don't feel like it today. Okay. In the mornings I usually do some office work at home, and right now I am organizing our first workshops at San Selva, which is super exciting. And if you want to know more about what we're going to offer this spring and summer, you can find all the information on our website. This year, San Selva is finally opening its doors to visitors and workshop participants. We've put together an exciting and educational program for you. Experience to live immersed in nature, learn more about the principles of permaculture, practice yoga, discover how to implement a healthy and sustainable diet with a nutritionist, or join a course about organic no-dig gardening. Book before the end of February to profit from our early bird discount. So I did my office work for the day, and I also went grocery shopping, and now it is time to check on our animals. We built this chicken coop this summer, and also we built a little house for our ducks. And I filmed the whole process. I just never got to cut that material for you guys. If you're interested in the building of our little duck's house and the chicken pen, let me know and I'll cut that video for you. As you can see, the ducks are always outside. They're always mad at Pino because he's just a little bit too unbehaved for them. Come to me. Here, come to me. Yeah, good boy. It took me a while to figure out how to get the pigs into the electric fence because once they're out, they're just super excited about all the fresh greens that they find. And I found that the easiest way to get them in is to just be a little patient and let them graze outside for a while. They always stay close to me. And then I have my bucket of feed that I pour inside of the fenced area and I invite them in. Let's see if it works today. Bye. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I have had some difficulties keeping them inside the fence, but I figured out that they stay inside as long as I'm here and as long as no one is passing by with any food or something exciting happens around here. So my idea of the rotational grazing, having them outside 24/7, doesn't work. At least it doesn't work for me, and with this fencing that I bought, it's probably not strong enough. So for now, they're just outside whenever I'm here, and they stay inside the fence until the evening comes and I start feeding the chickens. And then they run out, and that's fine for me. As you can see, they have been clearing the whole area behind me where it's all brown. If you compare it to the next line, which is to my right, it's a huge difference. They really do an amazing job. All the greenery you can see here on this side, that's all already regrown from where they have been. And over here, they have their work cut out for the next couple of months. Now, because I was filming, I made a mistake and I forgot to close the chicken coop, which I always have to do, because if I don't, these little duckies are getting in the chicken feed and they have a hard time finding their way out. Troublemakers. That's right, that's where you belong. Before I do anything else, I need to eat something. I'm starving. So I'm heading to my veg. In our food forest, because while the pigs are doing an excellent job cleaning out in between the rows of trees that I planted, I'm still gonna have to do the detailed work around the trees. We had so much growth recently. A pig escaped again. What I wanted to say is that we have so much growth here. Just look at how green and lush everything looks out here. It is already getting dark, so I'm gonna put the chickens back in their coop, and to do that I'm gonna lock in the ducks first into their house for a minute, because yeah, this is just gonna be very messy. And since the pigs are out, Pino's probably gonna take care of this in a quite unpleasant way for the pigs, but maybe they just have to learn the hard way. Soily? Yes, Soily? Soily! It's super cool that they already know where their home is, so they're always running back home free of choice because they know now is feeding time. I am supplementing their feed with whatever they find when they're outside and with the carobs that we harvested from our own trees. They don't particularly like them, which is perfect because they won't eat it all at once. So that's how a typical day here on the farm looks like now with all the animals. The good thing about my life, how it is now, is that there is barely any routine, so this suits me very well. The only ones who really need structures are the animals. Now the only thing I have left to do is to feed the cats and go for another walk with this guy. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Yeah.